While greeting you, I cannot but also express my deep anguish at the growing sense of insecurity being created in recent times among minority communities. The unwarranted attacks on Christians during the recent Christmas celebrations in several parts of our country are a painful testimony to this trend. Such incidents vitiate the moral fabric of our nation, which has traditionally been peace-loving and encouraging of its diverse cultures, religions, and traditions. Apart from causing pain to our Christian communities, these occurrences are in blatant disregard for the sacred values India has always stood for. It is indeed a cause for grave concern that even though the Constitution of India mandates free and fair expression of the practice of one's religion, some communities are persecuted for celebrating their most cherished and important festivals, often with the tacit approval of the authorities. As we venture into the year 2026, we appeal to the concerned authorities at all levels to own their constitutional responsibility and moral accountability